It's time to pump, guys. Crypto Underground is back with another update video on some altcoins and of course also new upcoming meme coins that I'm buying up right now. We're gonna have a nice compilation of the coins that I'm watching out right now, guys, because we are seeing the altcoins nicely pumping. Even though Bitcoin is still going sideways here, we're gonna have a look into that, guys. So welcome everyone. Make sure to be subscribed here on my channel and of course check out the new upcoming crypto projects, the exchanges that I'm using. Then you're gonna get some nice deposit bonuses, of course. And also remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude here on YouTube sharing all my ideas, my price predictions, everything that I'm buying up right now here together with you guys. So keep that in mind. And without further ado, let's dive here straight into the Bitcoin price, because as you can see, Bitcoin is still trading at $118,000. This is what we want to see. Of course, a nice consolidation and confirmation of new support around those levels. I believe that the trading range right now, as long as we don't see daily closes above the top side of the calendar channels, is between here at $120,000 and the support at around $114,000 to $115,000. It is possible that maybe we're coming down to close this CME gap here. It is very, very likely in my opinion. And this, of course, brings then the altcoins to shine, because whenever Bitcoin is going sideways and chopping around, we are seeing the Bitcoin dominance dropping like crazy to the downside, and that means that most money is now floating from Bitcoin or from stable coins directly into altcoins. And the number two coin here in the crypto space is of course Ethereum, and Ethereum right now is breaking through significant resistance levels. First $2,800, now $3,200. The next major one is the last one here at $4,200 before Ethereum is gonna go towards new all-time highs, in my opinion, because Ethereum here is very underrated still. Now I should, or at least in my opinion, Bitcoin should be trading somewhere up here. Ethereum should be up here at around $20,000, guys. Yes, of course, no financial advice, but this is my opinion. We should be up here and not somewhere down here. And that's why I think that the altcoins in general, they have to catch up a lot here. And therefore, I'm expecting a huge altcoin season. I'm very bullish for Ethereum. Of course, I bought also other coins like Solana, Doge, and so on that also are nicely pumping to the upside. Also Dogecoin here. If you go into the lines chart, you can clearly see that we had here this resistance that in theory broke out already here. And we came up, then we crashed down, retested this new support, and right now we are seeing this continuation to the upside. So this is extremely bullish for Dogecoin. I think that also Dogecoin is a good coin to keep right now. In general, all meme coins and in at least the good performing altcoins like Solana, maybe XRP as well, and Ethereum, of course, are of course great coins to buy right now and to keep now for the next coming weeks and months, because we are, in my opinion, at the beginning of a major altcoin season. And therefore, I'm watching out also for the newest coins that are upcoming with low market cap next on exchanges. Most of the times we are seeing new coins coming out here on Maxi Global or also Bybit and so on. You can prepare and sign up to those exchanges with the links in the video description here, that's for sure. But more important is, of course, also to watch out into those coins here before they're launching, so before they're coming out. And right now we have a bunch of new coins that are very hyped, like Bitcoin Hyper or Token 6900. You can find them all linked here in the video description. And I want to just cover a couple of them and have a nice compilation in this video, because of course you can go and buy all of them if you want to be following me, or at least get the list of all the newest coins that are upcoming. You're gonna find it here in the video description. Otherwise, of course, we're just gonna keep now it simple here and just focus on some single ones. So for example, we have Pepeto that is back online. They had a massive update here on their website. As you can see, they just have done all this stuff here, and this is of course bullish that the team is active here, and of course that they are also doing progress, because also this one is running since quite some time, and hopefully of course they are coming out with their exchange and also with the coin itself, because also here you can connect the wallet, you can invest into this coin and also stake it for 270% rewards. That means that also here, by the time this one will come out, you're gonna have more and more coins accumulated until launch. And the same thing is of course also possible for token 6900. This should be the next after SPX 6900. Remember this coin, guys. Although this one launched a few weeks or months ago, and now of course it is gotten this huge pump. You never know when those coins are pumping, but important is always to just be invested in it and then wait for the good time to take profits. At least this is what I am doing here. And also for token 6900, you can connect the wallet, you can directly invest and also stake those coins. Here also the API is quite high. Let me connect here to, or with MetaMask here, if it's working. Maybe MetaMask is lagging today a bit, so never mind. Anyway, the staking rewards is still around 100% here, so you can invest and of course accumulate more coins until launch. Also token 6900 is of course mentioned now in different crypto websites as well. For example, here on mitrate.com, here also token 6900 is getting mentioned because of course the memecoin mania is back, and of course this is the time to be invested because normally during the last phase of a bull run most gains can be made, and that's why right now it is of course good to be diversified into different coins. Bitcoin Hyper is also one, then we have also Snorter and so on. So we have different new coins coming up on Ethereum, on Bitcoin, on Solana, and of course also completely new ones like this one, DXRP, which is coming up on top of XRP. This is going to be the first of its kind, guys, the first ever DEX on XRP, and also right now this one is of course rising rapidly, and also the hype is getting bigger and bigger since XRP is of course also pushing higher and higher. And that's why also I'm investing into new projects for XRP, because if we're gonna see more and more of those projects coming out, then of course investing into the first decentralized exchange on XRP ever basically is of course maybe not a bad idea. So let's keep it that way. If you want to check them out, guys, links are in the video description. Check it out, guys. Links are all below here, and of course I keep you updated on all of them. So I think that's it for now, guys. I keep you updated on some altcoins as well, so stay tuned, be subscribed, and later on I'm gonna put some videos out about Ethereum, Solana, and so on. We're gonna have a nice update on different coins, and of course also XRP, since I'm also very bullish for XRP as well. Alright guys, that's it for now. Check out all links in the video description. Crypto Underground, over for now.